Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change region on Steam. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play. Make sure that you downloaded or updated Steam to the latest version. So go back to your screen, go ahead to your browser, and basically what you're going to do, just pick a reputable VPN device service, and then download and install VPN on your device. Select an appropriate server location, head to the Steam store, select the desired game and click buy, and basically you can change the region from selecting maybe that game is not available in your region, so you can use the VPN in order to go to the Steam store and select the desired game and click buy. In your shopping cart, change your Steam country, including your new billing address and with zip code. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.